So what we have to do is we have to switch it upside down. So this is up here because this is in your way when you're using the back of the cab frame. Because it'll slip on here. And because of this, it won't unless it's up. So what we're going to do is we're going to put in our backing first. And there's clips here on the sides to hold it. So then you're going to put your hat in, and with this you can hold it down to make sure everything is straight, and this can turn to make it tighter, and then you hit clip down, pull it so it's tight. You have these marks here to make sure you're straight line. So you do want to make sure you catch it here though. When you're doing the back, we're going to unhook the back and put it in. And there again, these are what these help for, these knobs. So to make sure that it's all straight.